welcome back to the Coronacation Bar, everybody. I'm your man, Chris Payne, and just want to give a quick shout out. Thanks everybody who got back to me on my Facebook post last night and let me know what you would like to see me make on video. Shout out to my wife. She picked Lemon Drop Martini, got the most support by, wasn't even close. I think 2 votes was the second place drink, and I think hers had over 9. So she'll be happy tonight. She'll be the one sipping on this delicious Lemon Drop Martini. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, don't have a martini glass in house. Got the trusty coupe, close enough. Always anything up's gonna go well in this drink. So we're gonna take a lemon wedge. We are going to just go around the outside of the rim a couple times. All right. Then I have some sugar. Nice sugar rim on the outside of this guy. She'll be loving that shortly. All right, next I have a fresh sprig of rosemary and 1 Bic lighter. This is going to release some of the oils in the rosemary, and also we'll get a little bit of smoke going here. Try not to set off the sprinklers, but definitely want a little bit of smoke going. All right, let's smell that now. Put that down in there. Now we'll build our cocktail. Some ice. I love it, you love it, we all love it. If you haven't tried it, go get it. Deep Eddy vodka, 2 ounces. Special treat tonight, courtesy of one wise guy's Hilton Head Island bar manager, Tony the Cheetah Chisholm. That's right, this is homemade limoncello, 1 ounce. All right, I have for you some all-natural fresh lemon juice, lemon drop, lemon juice, 1.5 ounces, and just to balance out all that tartness and sour notes from the lemon, little agave. All right, give that a shake. Garnish that with a fresh lemon. All right, there you have it. Lemon Drop Martini. Limoncello really makes this one shine, and I know my wife's going to enjoy that. So take care, everybody. We'll see you in tomorrow's happy hour edition of the Coronacation Bar. Good night.
Bloopers.
All right, welcome back, and first off, just want to say thank you so much, everybody, for cut it.
Belly, 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 belly.
Babe, I know you're gonna enjoy this in a little while. Try it at home. Limoncello, super easy to make. Start with grain alcohol. Okay, so this is 190%, I think.
How much he say?
Proof. So
this is awkward. Now it's really awkward. All right, end this video.